Welcome to today's Health Talk. We will be discussing the amazing health benefits of apple cider vinegar and honey. These two natural ingredients have been used for centuries for their numerous health benefits. So, let's dive right in. Apple cider vinegar ACV is a natural fermented drink made from the squeezed juice of apples. It has been used for centuries in cooking, but it also has numerous health benefits. ACV helps to improve digestion, reduce bloating, and aid in weight loss. It also has antibacterial properties, which can help to fight infections. One of the most known benefits of ACV is its use as a natural anti-inflammatory. It helps to reduce the pain and swelling associated with arthritis and other chronic pain conditions. ACV also works wonders on the skin, reducing acne and promoting a healthy, glowing complexion. Honey is a natural sweetener made from the nectar of flowers. It has been used for centuries as a sweetener and for its numerous health benefits. Honey is packed with antioxidants, which help to protect our cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It also has antibacterial properties, which can help to fight infections and boost the immune system. Together, ACV and honey create a powerful detoxifying agent that can help to improve our overall health. They are a great addition to your morning tea or a refreshing drink during your afternoon naps. The combination of ACV's vinegarity and honey's sweetness creates a perfect balance of flavors that will leave you feeling refreshed and invigorated. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar and honey offer a wide range of health benefits. Together, they create a detoxifying agent that can help to improve our digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. Don't be afraid to give these natural ingredients a try. Your body will thank you.